Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our science class. Hope you all are fine and safe with your near and dear ones. Today we are going to start a new chapter. That is the last chapter of our annual syllabus. The chapter is Chapter 15, Air, Water and Weather. Okay. So let's start. What is air? In the last previous class, we have already learned that air is the mixture of many gases. What are the name of the gases? Yes, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. So many gases are mixed with the air. Now, our first point is contents of air. Contents of air, green plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air for making their food. We all know that. And release oxygen. All animals including human beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We are inhaling oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And the green plants inhaling, they are making food with the help of carbon dioxide by absorb from the air with the presence of sunlight during the daytime. Okay, and they releases, the green plants after making their foods, they releases oxygen. Okay, and we are just vice versa. We are taking inside oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Air also contains dust particles, water vapor, smoke and germs. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Yes, as we all know that. Air contains water vapor. Our first point is water vapor. Air contains water vapor. Air contains water in the form of water vapor. Yes, this is all I know that. You know that. Water vapor, that means the droplet of water that is contain the air. Okay. Air contains dust particles. Second point is dust particles. Close the doors and windows of a room. Let a ray of sunlight enters into the room. Observe the light. You will see many dust particles are present in the streak of light. It shows air contains dust particles. Yes. Dust particles, when the sun rays come and it was on your floor, you are just looking at the sun rays, you will find out so many things are moving all around, but we cannot see in the naked eyes because air is containing dust particles. Okay, and we cannot see in our naked eyes. Next, air contains germs. When any sick person sneezes, a lot of germs come out and remain in the air. Germs from the garbage bins, open drains, hospitals and dead animals may pollute the air. So we should always keep our environment clean. These germs can stick to our body. So we should always wash our hands before and after taking meals. We should take a shower daily. This is the pandemic situation of coronavirus. Nowadays we are using mask, we are using sanitizer, and always strictly all the rules have been said that you will have to wash your hands frequently. That means air containing germs. Whenever I am sneezing or you are sneezing, that means the germs has come out from our body and it will affected the another one, those who are in front of us. So air contains germs. When the dustbin is open or the open drains, it will smell very bad. That means the germs is very bad smelling germs are over there. Okay. Our next point is water. What is water? Water is another precious gift of nature. All living things need water to live on. Yes, that's also very true. Like air, water is also needed. the basic need is water also. Air, simultaneously water. Forms of water. Our next point is forms of water. Water has three forms: solid, liquid and gas. Okay. The water in the ocean, lakes, ponds, wells is in the form of liquid. Yes, we are drinking the water, that is also the liquid form. And the lakes, ponds, ocean, seas, all the water in the liquid form. The water vapor present in the air is in the form of gas, the water droplet. Okay, when the boiling water is on your gas, you are just holding another a plate on the gas. You will find out some droplet over there. That means the water vapor is present in the air. Next, the ice cubes, ice on the ice-capped mountains are in the form of solid. Into your fridge there are ice cubes. You will find out the water is from the solid form is ice, right? In the higher mountainian range, the higher mountain, the peak of the mountain, all are in icy. That means the solid form of water. It is clear from the above activity that water exists in three forms. There will be some activities you will do it into your home. Okay, the three forms are ice, solid, water, liquid and water vapor, gas. It changes its form on heating or cooling. Yes, when you are heating the water, it will convert it into water vapor. That means the gas form of water, from liquid to gas when you are heating the water. And when you are cooling the water, the liquid form is converted into the solid form, ice. Clear? Now our next point is water cycle. This is water cycle. What is that? You know that almost 3/4 parts of the earth is water and rest is land. Yes, all I know that in our earth there will be 3/4 parts. That means suppose it is our earth, the 3/4 part of the earth are in water and 1/4 is land. Okay, rest are land. This water is present in the ocean, rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. All the water present in these oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. By the heat of the sun, water gets heated up and changes into water vapor. This is called evaporation. Heated of sun. This is the sun. The sun heated the ocean and the water of the ocean just evaporated, and it will be changes from liquid to gas, and gas is lighter than the liquid and it will just go upside. Okay, this is called evaporation. This procedure is called evaporation. Water vapor goes up in the sky. It comes in contact with cool air and changes into tiny water droplet. This is called condensation. When the evaporation water, the gas form of the water just come above on the sky and it will be cooled down, and it will from evaporation to changes it water droplet, tiny water droplet. Okay, this is called condensation, and it will be just look like this. When these tiny droplets along with dust particles cool down, they further form clouds. When the small tiny particles means very small particles of water, they are cooled down, they all together, and they are with the dust particles and making the clouds. Okay, they are all together making the clouds. When the water droplets in the clouds further cool down, they form bigger water droplet. Again the cloud, when they are making the cloud and they cool down, again they are further cool down, they form bigger water droplet. From the tiny water droplet, they cool down again and they are making a bigger water droplet. These water droplets come down as rain on the land and water bodies. When the clouds are heavier, it will not float it on the sky. It will come as rain on the land and seas and the water bodies. Okay. Eventually, the rainwater from the lands and river reaches to the ocean, so the cycle is completed. This is called water cycle. That means when the rain is completing, it will again fill up the water bodies. First, from the water bodies, the sun heated the ocean water or the water from any water from the water bodies, and it will evaporate to the and it will high above as a gaseous form. That is called evaporation. After the evaporation, it will make a tiny droplet and cool down, and with the dust particle it will make clouds. Okay, then it will be a big droplet, and after the cloud is heavier, it will not float on the sky, it will just come down as rain, and again the rain filled the water of the water bodies. This is in a circling way, it will going on, the process is going on. That is why this is called, the procedure is called water cycle. Understood? So children, this much for today. For the next class, we are going to continue this chapter again. Okay? For the time being, stay home, be safe. Thank you.